We are subtracting today on our test. Please make sure your name and the date is on top of the test. And then we're going to do 4 sections today. Please do what you can. Remember, you may always pause or rewind this video if you need to listen to directions or write down an answer. The first section, we're subtracting within 10. Go ahead and look at those numbers and then subtract and write the answer on the line. Pause to put your answers on the line before going to the next section. Our next section says subtract multiples of 10 from a number. The first 3 are first grade, so we're going to subtract 10s from those numbers. The fourth one is a second grade challenge question. Remember, you're subtracting, so you may subtract those and write the answers underneath the line, just like when we add, but this time we're subtracting. Please pause as you figure out these numbers. Write the answer under the line. Pause now. For my third section, it says rewrite the subtraction problem as an addition problem. We have 10 minus 8 equals question mark. You're going to use those things you see here to put it in a different order to make it an addition sentence. So you're going to be using the 10, the 8, the equal sign, and the question mark for your answer that you don't know. And instead of a subtraction sign, you're going to be using an addition sign. So you're going to rewrite that as an addition sentence on this line. Please pause and write your answer sentence right here. My last section says fluently subtract within 100. Oops. I don't want that on there. Okay, fluently subtract within 100. I have these 3 subtraction problems. You're going to be subtracting and answering underneath the line. Pause and do that now. When you're all done, please make sure again that your name is at the top and turn it in to your teacher.